Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a shaving cream water cycle. So in the previous video, I told you that we'll be doing this and for the science experiments. And in today's video, I want to show you all how to do it. Without further ado, let's get into this experiment. You will need only three ingredients. So one of it is this shaving cream. You can use any shaving cream. I'm going to use this one. The second one is a transparent glass filled with water. And the third one is blue food coloring. So now the first step is to add this shaving cream on top of the glass, which this shaving cream will actually act as clouds. So I'm going to add it on top of the glass. Let's see how it's going to work. I never tried this actually. It's going to be my first time. So yeah. Oh my God. What? What the hell? Why is it coming like that? Maybe I should not shake it. Do clouds look like this? Okay, this is enough, I guess. Oh my god, it's a lot. This is a very big cloud, so yeah, I think. So this was our first step. So now our first step is completed, and this acts like clouds. And this water, which is in the glass, acts like atmosphere. And what we're trying to do over here is, by pouring this food coloring into this, we are going to make it, the clouds are going to become heavier and then it's going to drop like rain. So, yeah, I'm excited. Let's see how it's going to work. I think we just have to pour. Wow. Can you see this? It looks so good. It looks really nice. Wow. It definitely looks like, looks very nice. And so now, like as you can see, we completed our shaving cream water cycle. It looks really nice. You can also see those, water particles. Let me show you. I don't know if you're able to see, but yeah, it looks really nice. I'm actually very happy with this. This is how you make a shaving cream water cycle. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.